Yesu asifiwe. Pepo katika jina la Yesu. Kristo. Wewe bado sijasikia. Mnakumbuka siku wakati tulikuwa pale, wakati rais alikuwa deputy president, tukaingia huko akatuita. Mimi ndo nilichoma hiyo pepo. Na leo niliambia wakati huo president nikakwambia, mimi nikifukuza pepo hakuna yule mtu atakugusa. Lakini ile pepo tulitoa ilikuwa imekimbia na Mungu alikuwa karibu na wewe. Pepo katika jina la Yesu Kristo.
As a church, we fully support the introduction of new healthcare system, social health insurance fund, that aims at providing universal care coverage to all Kenyans, Your Excellency. The transition from the National Hospital Insurance Fund represents a significant policy shift in Kenya's healthcare system, aiming to establish a more inclusive, universal healthcare coverage structure. I urge the government to fast-track this program and ensure it's implemented to the fullest. It is a very good program because it is going to touch even the small man in this country, in this world, will enjoy full health coverage. We are all privileged to be living in dispensation of change. Adoption of the devolved system of government brought with it promise for transformation in the lives of Kenyan communities. County government have played a key role in delivering vital services, developing local economies, giving communities a voice through robust public participation, and helping them shape the environment within which they live. It is in this context we as a Church of Christ embrace devolution, for it has brought services closer to our people. I urge the national government to keep on supporting devolution so that it continue issuing or giving us a quality service.
The church must give you hope. The church must give you hope. If we have churches in this world that it is destroying people's hope, then those are the people destroying our image. But the church is there to give you hope. Jesus came to give hope. God is there to give us hope. From that leadership, and God has made you. You've come from a very difficult background. But behind you, God is fighting for you. He's guiding you. He's showing you the way. Yahweh became a very strong man because he now led the army of Israel to defend Israel against all the enemy. And the Bible says he received the victory. He received the victory. How can a small man receive the victory? How did a small man receive the victory? He must have had a lot of faith. He must have had a lot of hope. And God saw that hope in him. And he continued building him. So
Yeah.
Yesu asifiwe. Pepo katika jina la Yesu. Kristo. Wewe bado sijasikia. Mnakumbuka siku wakati tulikuwa pale, wakati rais alikuwa deputy president, tukaingia huko akatuita. Mimi ndio nilichoma hiyo pepo. Na leo niliambia wakati huo president nikakwambia, mimi nikifukuza pepo hakuna yule mtu atakugusa. Lakini ile pepo tulitoa ilikuwa imekimbia na Mungu alikuwa karibu na wewe. Pepo katika jina la Yesu Kristo.
Church must give you hope.
Anasema kanisa ni kupa matumaini.
The church must give you hope.
Kanisa ni kupa matumaini.
If we have churches in this world
Kama tunakuwa na makanisa katika dunia hii
that it is destroying people's hope, then those are the people destroying our image. But the church is there to give you hope. Jesus came to give hope. God is there to give us hope. From that leadership, as God has made you, you've come from a very difficult background. But God is fighting for you. He's guiding you. He's showing you the way. Yahweh became a very strong man because he now led the army of Israel to defend Israel against all the enemy. And the Bible says